Hey there, welcome to the demo video of LetSpinio. My name is Saurabh Bhatnagar and in this video I am going to show you step by step how to create a LetSpinio campaign. So right now on your screen you are seeing a live LetSpinio campaign. So this over here you can see a live wheel, a cool background and the helping text, a scarcity bar and the opt-in form over here. Right, so let me go to the dashboard of LetSpinio and let me show you how to create this step by step. Number one, you will click on create new wheel campaign. Alright, now you will give it a name, let's say demo video, and next you will click on select a wheel. So over here in the first tab you can see all the wheels that you have created by yourself using our library. Alright, or you can go ahead in the done for you wheel section over here and you can select any done for you theme from here. So let's say if I select this one, I will click on next. Alright, so this right here over here we have the complete labeling, the prices that we want to give, the gifts that we want to give, or the probability that we want to set. Everything can be done from here, right? So as you can see from here, all the gifts that are there in the live campaign can be set up from here. Alright, so let's say if in the first column I want to say no luck, right? In the second column I want to say you have won a lead generation class. Now in the third column I want to say that you have won a coupon in which you are going to win 20% off. Alright, and I will give it a coupon code. So this is the coupon code, and in the fourth column I will give something else, 4 5 6 7 8 9, whatever it is. In fact, if you have a huge product, I mean something best that you want to show, so let's say if I want to show something like this, like a free product, and in this what you are going to get is amazing, something amazing, let's say. Alright, your best product can be won from here, but in that case what you have done is you have set the probability to 0. So this particular price, let's say this particular price, let's say this particular free product is only visible to the visitors, but they are never going to win it. So in order to win this particular prize, what they will do, they will enter their email ID, but what you have done is you have set the probability from the backend. So what they are going to do is they are never going to win, but every time they are going to enter their email ID, they are going to get, you are going to get their valuable email lead. Alright, so also what you can do is you can set the probability, let's say to 20 and the other one to be 80, right? 80. So in that case, every time according to this particular setting, every time when the wheel would be spun, either this particular product will be won by your visitors or this particular product will be won by your visitors, right? So in both of the cases you are going to have a win-win relationship with your visitors, because your visitors are winning something and you are getting the valuable email lead, right? So let me click on next. Alright, so this is some more setting inside this LetSpinio campaign. So if you want to add your brand logo over here, you can add it. That will be visible over here. Alright, now if you want to add the title, of course you should enter the title. So this is, are you feeling lucky today? This title would be visible over here. This right over here, this is the title. Alright, now the guiding text, this is the guiding text, so make sure you write down a good guiding text. Alright, and then what you will do, you will add the input fields. Alright, the input fields, so all the fields that you want your users to fill, you can add it over here. So right now we have entered only email, but if you want to add, let's say the first name, if you want to add, let's say the mobile number or anything else, that can be done easily by clicking on this add new button, right? Now the submit button text, what you can do is you can add play and win, you can add submit. So whatever you will write over here, that will be visible over here, right? The disclaimer rules, as you can see, the disclaimer rules are over here. And next up, what you can do is you can write the no thanks text, right? So all the users who don't want to play the game, they will have to click on this particular no thanks text, as you can see over here. No, I am not feeling lucky. Now when users see this, it is something that hits their mind that why I'm not feeling lucky, and they won't hit this particular cross button, and they will most likely enter their email ID, right? So you have to write something like this over here. And what else, you can add the element type. So let's say if you want to add the scarcity bar, or maybe you want to add the countdown timer. So in the case if we are adding the scarcity bar, you can see the scarcity bar over here. So this is something that will be visible to the users, and they will feel that yes, this particular gift prize that I can win from here is going to be redeemed very soon, right? So what you can do is you can select the range. So let's say my range would be 87 from 79. So in this case, the message that will be visible over here, as you can see, 62% already claimed. In our campaign, the message that would be visible would be hurry, 79% or maybe 81% or maybe 87% licenses already claimed. Alright, and you can select the bar color. So maybe in our case, let's say green, just like this, the bar color, and everything is good. I will click on next. And this is the complete preview of the campaign that we created right now. So as you can see, this is the half page preview, LetSpinio, and over here, as you can see, are you feeling lucky today? Spin the wheel, enter your email ID. This is the complete campaign, this is the complete wheel, and as you can see, hurry, 81% licenses are already claimed, and no, I'm not feeling lucky at all. So this is the complete campaign that you have created right now, and after clicking on next, what you can do is your campaign would be created, right? And all you will have to do is you will have to enter your one single line of code in your website, and this particular campaign will be visible on your website, right? So let me click on next, and over here what you have to do is you have to enter your website URL. So let's say if I enter my website URL, alright, so you have to enter your website URL, and this is the exact URL in which your campaign would be live, right? So you can add multiple things like exclude, refer, and we have some more settings over here. For example, the show up condition, mobile show up conditions, widget type, text, and some of these are the OTO upgrade settings over here. So I'm not going to demonstrate it right now, right? But all of these are also available, and we have tutorials for all of these inside the dashboard, right? So you won't be left out. So this is the complete thing that is available over here, and you can enable the integrations, so you will be able to add your email leads inside your autoresponder. Alright, and you will click on save. So that's how simply your complete LetSpinio campaign is created. And since this campaign is enabled, so in this case, this campaign would be live on saurabhbhatnagar.com, right? So I have not entered this coupon code, sorry, this website JS code on my website. So in this case, the campaign would not be live, but that's the only final last step. And this was the complete summary how the complete campaign would be created. So you have got the complete idea how this complete campaign would be created, and from your users point of view, they will see that you are seeing right now, and to win the prize they will enter their email ID like this. They will click on pay and win, and boom, just like this, they will win the prize, they will get the coupon code, they can go ahead and use the coupon code and complete the purchase, right? So you gain the email ID, they win the prize. Alright, so this is the complete exact thing how the complete Let's Spin Your campaign can be created. Also, I would also like to show you, if you have time, I would also like to show you the complete library that we have for you, right? So what you can do is you can create wheels by yourself. You can create the complete theme by yourself, right? So just have a look. We have the complete library of the wheels. So if you want to create a wheel by yourself, you can select any of these wheels. All right, you can select any of the pointer over here that we have over here as per your brand, as per your liking. You can add the pointing shadow, you can have the outer shadow, so we have everything over here. You can have the background image that you want, so that is also available over here, right? So you can create the complete theme by yourself, right? So in the case if you don't want to use I done for you wheel, what you can do is you can create a theme by yourself, just like we have done over here. This is the exact theme that we have created, which is live on this page, right? So this is also something which you can do by yourself. So I hope this was a very easy step by step demo video for LetSpinio, and I will see you inside the LetSpinio dashboard. Thank you. Bye bye.